With recent launches, getting a gaming PC under $1,000 is no longer a distant reality. This exciting shift means immersive and high-quality gaming experiences are now accessible without emptying your savings. My today's video is about top 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at CyberPower PC Gamer Master. The CyberPower PC Gamer Master, powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, delivers rapid performance. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 500GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, enjoy smooth multitasking and quick loading times, all supported by the user-friendly Windows 11 Home OS. Designed with gamers in mind, the Gamer Master features a stylish tempered glass side panel and customizable RGB case lighting, enhancing your gaming setup with flair. Stay connected with Wi-Fi functionality and an array of USB ports, including 6 USB 3.1 and 2 USB 2.0 ports, ensuring seamless access to your favorite games with no compromises. Now our second product is Skytech Gaming Nebula. The Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC desktop is engineered to deliver outstanding gaming performance. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, it ensures smooth gameplay at ultra settings, maintaining a frame rate of over 60 FPS. Boasting 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, this PC offers rapid load times and seamless multitasking for an immersive gaming experience. Featuring 4 RGB fans for superior airflow, the Nebula ensures optimal cooling during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, it includes a complimentary gaming keyboard and mouse, allowing you to jump straight into the action. With Windows 11 Home 64-bit pre-installed, you'll enjoy a sleek and user-friendly operating system interface. Our third product is CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is designed for gaming. It has an Intel Core i5-14400F processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, which provides smooth gaming for even the most demanding games. It comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, offering quick loading times and the ability to do many tasks at once easily. It runs on the Windows 11 Home operating system, which improves your gaming experience. This computer also looks good, with a sleek black design and a tempered glass side panel. It features customizable RGB lighting, creating an engaging gaming environment. It's easy to connect and get ready for gaming with many options, including 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Wi-Fi 5, and 7.1 channel audio. Now number 4, HP Victus Gaming PC. The HP Victus is designed with a powerful 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, making it ideal for gaming, creating content, and handling multiple tasks efficiently. It has 16GB of RAM and combines a 512GB SSD with a 1TB HDD, ensuring fast load times and plenty of storage for games and media. This computer features both integrated and separate graphics cards, providing exceptional performance for the newest games with stunning visuals. It also supports fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for quick data transfers and reliable wireless connections. The HP Victus comes with Windows 11 Home already installed, which is easy to use and navigate. And our last choice is MSI Codex-R Gaming PC. The MSI Codex-R comes with an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, delivering strong performance suitable for gaming, video editing, and everyday use. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, It ensures fast loading times and smooth multitasking. Designed with efficient airflow, the Codexer sustains high performance for its parts, ensuring reliability over long gaming periods. Using standard PC components, this desktop enables easy DIY upgrades and customization to fit individual preferences seamlessly. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.